Hi friends, today we are going to talk about an anti-pollution mask called Venus CVN95. This is an N95 rated mask and this is the model number TC84A5631. It has the NIOSH N95 certification. This is a very good mask. I am using it for quite some time. I always go for white anti-pollution masks because I want to see whether the mask has become dirty and I need to throw it and use another one or not. There is a black model which is available in which the respirator is not in the middle but the side, but I would recommend you go for the white model simply because you need to see whether the mask has gone dirty and you need to replace it. Now the nose ridge is quite comfortable, it's adjustable, it has a soft metal clip. The reason why it's very comfortable at the nose is they have smartly given a nose padding or made of foam. So this makes it very comfortable compared to the 3M masks that I've been using. The respirator, as you can see, and from the inside, and the construction is very good. You can feel the material is quite thick. Now the strings that are not plastic as such, they are very good cloth strings, I would say, or some sort of nylon or lycra, whatever material they've used, and it works, and they are adjustable also, and it works flawlessly. It is very comfortable to use. I will show you in the practical application of the product. There are two of them, one at the bottom, one at the top. So it's fairly portable because you can fold it and it can go almost like this, and you can go ahead and pack it in your stuff. So it's quite portable as such. And okay friends, I'll show you the practical use of the anti-pollution mask that I'm using. So this is the mask I have right here on my hand. As you can see, it looks still white even after a week of use. I've been using this product for say around 2 weeks, but it still remains white, whereas the 3M ones turn to 10 black in say less than a week. So it has a very good filter, and as we talked about this product earlier, it is N95 rating. So let's see how it fits on the face. So I have two cloth strings here, and they are adjustable also. So and I'm using at the default setting, so I don't need to adjust them, and I'll show you how they fit. Okay, so this mask is very comfortable as such. I mean, I have used 3M masks a lot. I've tried almost all of them, but I didn't find this comfort that I'm getting in the Venus mask, in the 3M mask that I used earlier. They are good to wear, but this one is very comfortable. They have done an excellent job. They have given very good padding, foam padding, as we saw earlier. Beneath the steel clip you have foam padding, so it rests on your nose very easily. One thing Venus could have done to improve was the design part. If they could have designed something for bespectacled people like me. I wear specs, and this mask is not meant for people who wear specs because there is no place left for you to rest your specs on. The solution, I pull it towards the bottom, and this is the space I create, and in this tiny space I take my specs and then rest the nose ridge on it. So it works, but it's not the best alternative. I wish they could design it some way in which it becomes more easy for people with specs. So that is one thing which they can work on. So that is one con I found. Of course, this con does not apply to people who don't wear specs. So for them it's all well. And this shape that is coming is very good. So it covers your face completely. And the strings are not very tight. Not like the elastic ones you have in the 3M masks. So they don't tend to put a lot of pressure on. Other than that, the look, yes, you might find it a bit weird because the respirator is directly here. Now if I want to remove the product, I'll simply remove it like this. You use any mask you like. It's not necessary to use Venus, 3M, or what I am recommending. Use whatever you like, but do use. People tend to say no, there's no pollution as such. But in bigger cities, I'm not about the smaller ones. Yes, in India we have many cities which are still clean and which have less population and pollution. But in bigger cities, can you see the air? You can't see the air, right? So similarly, you can't see the pollution as well. Now the pollution is so harmful. There are so many deaths. You can search on internet as much as you like, and you will come to know that how harmful PM 2.5 particles are for it can cause lung cancer, it can cause breathing issues, your children are suffering. I'm still working on getting some good anti-pollution mask for children. As soon as I come across one, I'll let you know. I'm searching one for my daughter as well. Meanwhile, this is a good mask that I found for adults like us, and it's easy to use. Okay, one thing is very important. Please remember this. Do not wear any mask, not only this, but any mask while exercising, running, because this thing does restrict the air a little bit. So while you're exercising or you're running, so you will have difficulties, and it's not recommended because your body needs a lot of air at that time. If you're going outdoors, you're doing walking, simple walking or something, maybe little fast walking also, this thing you can use. You can use this while you are riding a motorcycle or you are riding any two-wheeler. I use it even in the car because I have not got any car air purifier as such as of now, but I plan to. But as of now, this is a cheaper solution. So this thing costs less than $100. I'll leave a link for you to buy this. I would suggest you buy in quantity of 5. It will work out cheaper. Thank you for watching my review.